Let's go. Yeah, what's up, y'all? Welcome to our channel. My name is Sarell.
And I'm Niara, and today we're going to be showing y'all how to make rye 2 different ways.
Yep, basically we're going to be teaching y'all how to make rye in a mason jar, you know, like overnight oats type thing for like a morning type snack. And we're going to teach y'all how to make hot cereal, another morning breakfast type thing. And we're going to be teaching y'all basically everything it is to know about making the best rye you possibly can. You know what I'm saying? So, enough of that. Let's get to the video.